Exotic lies and mental videotapes, the fraud of past life regression. Disclaimer: I totally believe in past lives, just not the regression thing. Not all great discoveries lead to great things, some lead to great disasters, like nuclear bombs and past life regression. Yes, there is a rebirth, and that is the basis of karma, which is the basis of astrology. Since astrology works, rebirth has to be true. Indic religions like Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism have always preached about past lives. While the mostly Christian West did not believe in this idea for a very long time. However, with the explosion of knowledge in the past 50 years, the West got hold of this idea and, as usual, ran with it to the point of commercialization. One interesting book called Many Lives, Many Masters spawned an entire industry of past life regression, with masters giving therapy sessions and even running certified training programs. Some TV programs added to this frenzy and it spread like a virus. Today, one Google search in any city would get you dozens of past life therapists, and this horrifies me. Here are my reasons. Number one, it is not that easy. There have been instances of great souls remembering their past lives. There is even a word for it. It's called Jati Smaran. Enlightened masters like Sai Baba, Krishna, Buddha, Mahavir could even see the past lives of others. There are many stories about them telling other people about their past lives. However, these divine masters won't regress anyone into a past life, as they knew the dangers of doing such a thing. And here we are with certified therapists taking people on a paid tour of the past lives. Lord have mercy on us. Number two, karma lies and mental videotapes. Some of the therapists are my astrology clients, and I've told every one of them to quit this practice immediately. I told them that they could continue to teach things like meditation and yoga, etc., but must not do any kind of past life regression. Reason? Even they were not sure if this really worked. I asked them if they knew for sure what their patients saw was the truth of past life and not a mental movie projected by their brains. Not even a single one could say that with certainty. I told them that if they were not sure of the truth, they were committing a fraud. What's more, they could be doing a lot of damage to their clients and accumulating very bad karma. I tell them, forget past life of others. Start worrying about your own future life. It already looks tough to me. Number three, it can ruin your life. Okay, let's say a lady is going through marital problems, and then in a past life regression session, she finds out that her husband had killed her for another woman in the past life, and the other woman is currently her maid in this life. Here we have a recipe for a divorce. Or imagine a man who just saw that his wife was his mother in the past life. We have an awkward situation here. There have been instances when trained psychiatrists have messed up people's lives trying to dig out repressed childhood memories. You can go ahead and Google false memory syndrome and you will know what I am talking about. Mind you, these were educated, trained professionals with years of training and experience, and they were talking about only childhood. Your misadventure with a certified past life therapist can ruin your present life. Number four, all exotic past lives. This is my personal favorite, and using this, I have been able to convert a lot of people out of this madness. Some of my clients who have been through such sessions tell me their past life stories, to which I listen with detached amusement. 100% of them are exotic. They were all kings, queens, prostitutes, military commanders, pirates, etc., etc. And they almost always died in tragic, violent circumstances. War, fire, water, poison, snakebite, concentration camps are the favorite ways of dying. It seems everyone had a blast in the past. There were surprisingly no normal boring people with normal boring lives and normal boring deaths. I'm yet to meet a person who was a peasant or a cobbler in past life and died of something non-exotic like cholera or malaria or old age. And these were 90% of the people. Looks like all the normal boring ones got moksha and only the exotic ones were cursed to return to earth. I rest my case. Dear reader, if you are undergoing a past life regression therapy, please stop. Please stop wasting your time and money and stop living in your imagination. No, you are not a commander in Rome or a prostitute in Persia. Most probably, you are an Indian working for an IT company. Welcome to the real world, also known as the present. Stop wasting that time and money and invest it in something that would help you when AI takes over your job. There you go. Some future life progression for free. You're welcome. I would like to end this with the best line I ever heard about past life regression. A friend of mine had this fascination with past life. I think all spiritual people have that. And he was trying to take past life regression sessions. However, his wise spiritual trainer asked him to discontinue this practice immediately. And he said some of the wisest words. He said, "The hint is in the name itself. They call it past life regression. Now decide. Do you want to regress or do you want to progress?" God bless. G. Vijay Kumar, honestastrologer.com.